Data cleaning and preprocessing are essential steps in the data analysis process, as they help ensure the accuracy and quality of the insights derived from your data. When working with raw data, it is often messy, containing errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies that can lead to misleading conclusions. In this video, we'll explore several techniques to effectively clean and prepare your data for analysis, giving you a solid foundation to work with. One of the first techniques in data cleaning is handling missing values. Missing data can occur for various reasons, such as errors in data collection or entry. There are several strategies to deal with this issue. One common method is imputation, where you replace missing values with estimates based on other data points. For example, you might use the mean or median value of a feature to fill in gaps. Alternatively, if the missing data constitutes a significant portion of your dataset, you may choose to remove those records entirely to avoid skewing your analysis. Another crucial step is identifying and removing duplicates. Duplicates can arise from repeated data entry or merging different datasets. They can distort your analysis by giving undue weight to certain data points. To eliminate duplicates, you can use various techniques like comparing entire rows or checking for unique identifiers. Most data analysis software provides built-in functions to identify and remove these duplicates, ensuring that your dataset reflects only unique observations. Data normalization is also a vital part of preprocessing, particularly when you're working with multiple features that have different scales. For instance, if you have one feature measured in thousands and another in the range of 0 to 1, this can lead to biased results in algorithms that are sensitive to scale. To address this, normalization techniques such as min-max scaling or z-score standardization can be employed. These methods help transform your data into a uniform scale, making it easier to interpret and analyze. Finally, it's essential to convert categorical data into a numerical format, as most analysis techniques and algorithms require numerical input. This process, known as one-hot encoding, involves creating binary columns for each category in your dataset. For instance, if you have a feature representing different colors, each color would be converted into a column containing zeros and ones to indicate the presence or absence of that color. This transformation allows you to incorporate categorical variables seamlessly into your models. By incorporating these cleaning and preprocessing techniques, you will significantly enhance the quality of your data analysis. Remember, the insights derived from your data are only as good as the data itself. Investing time in proper data cleaning and preprocessing will lead to more accurate results and ultimately better decision-making. With a clean and well-prepared dataset, you're now ready to uncover valuable insights and drive meaningful outcomes.